guys, daylight's fading. It's 6 o'clock, which isn't bad. Anyway, I've just remembered, or to be honest, I've just noticed this on my pile of junk on the table, that I was going to do this as a Easter project. I bought 3 items from Poundland. I've already done 2 of them, converted them to radio controlled cars. One was an egg and the other was a pullback carrot racer. So we're left with this, which is a, well, I suppose you could call it a stress toy really. What do they call it? A light up chick. Yes, it lights up if you hit it. But we're going to make it into a non-rubber band powered car. In other words, we're going to use this car that I've used for quite a few projects already because it's convenient, and we're going to torture this by stretching it. So I've got to figure out a way of attaching it at the front here somehow, and then we'll just use a bit of kite string that's already in a convenient loop. But if we loop it round its neck, then we should be able to pull it tight and use it as a power store, if we want to get technical. Yeah, so we'll tie that in there somehow, and then we'll use that as the power store. How are we going to tie that? We could just make a hole in it. That would rather spoil it. I wonder if it would tear if we made a hole in it. Because if we made a hole in it, we could just stick that through it, couldn't we? I should think it would tear. How about if I stick a hot metal rod through it so it melts, and then use it? Because we could also steal the light up thing at some time. Might be better just to tie something around there for now, so we can just tie it on there. I'll get a bit of string. It's getting too dark. I've had to put the light on. So we want to tie a. Oh, and it's raining. Oh, brilliant. Well, might as well make another loop, I suppose. That'll do. Stretch his nether regions out. Pull that tight. Okay. That's. I'm just trying to keep it fairly close to this end. What can we do? Oh, that might be long enough to go round there and back round there. Yeah, that'll do. I think I've created a little playlist that says how many different things can I use this car for. I think I did it. I know I was going to. If I did, I'll put a link in the video description, because I've used this chassis for quite a few things. There you go, torturing the chicken. That sounds rude, doesn't it? Okay, we'll give it a run. I'll have to put the lights on in the kitchen so we can see it run. We might get wheel spin with this, so I might have to put tyres on the wheels. Let's see how we get on with just a gentle run. That'll do, I think. Summary time. What have we got? Well, there is a phrase that you could probably use, but I'm just going to say I've got an Easter chick here that I'm torturing a bit to use it as the power source for my ex-rubber band powered car. There'll be links in the video description to the original build for this car, but basically it's 4 CDs, 8 plastic bottle tops, plywood chassis, drinking straw for the back axle tube. I've actually got some little metal tubes for the front axle tubes. The front axle is a metal bar, but a barbecue skewer would do. And the back axle is a barbecue skewer, and the bottle tops are just hot glued onto the CDs. And then I've got a few extra bits on there just to attach things as required. Job done. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.